Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how I create beautiful posters for my Cricket Academy using ChatGPT and Leonardo.ai. First up, we have ChatGPT. It's a free tool that helps you generate creative text prompts for all kinds of projects. Let's see how easy it is to find. I'll quickly search for ChatGPT on Google. Now that we've found ChatGPT, let's open it up and start creating our prompt. I'll ask it for an engaging prompt for my Academy poster. Now, let's search for Leonardo.ai. It's a fantastic free tool that transforms your ideas into stunning visuals. Let's click on the official site. I'll input the prompt from ChatGPT into Leonardo.ai and watch the magic happen. It's super easy to use. Here's the design. I'll review it to ensure it aligns with my vision for the Academy. Don't forget, you can always tweak it to fit your style. A stunning Academy poster created using ChatGPT and Leonardo.ai for free. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more creative tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.